I wanted to try and find what makes you feel challenging but also feel good. So keep breathing, inhale. Xin chào, welcome to Moving Mango. I'm Hannah, a certified Pilates teacher, and today there will be a quick, high intensity interval training for you guys. This is gonna be super quick, and especially this is gonna be quite challenging but also easy to follow, because I want to do this for beginner, or if you haven't worked out for a while, then this is gonna be for you. So if you're ready, just roll your mat and let's do it together. Alright, now let's start by a little warm up before we start the workout. So I want you to sit tall, your back in neutral, chest open, shoulders down, and lengthen your spine. Feel free to bend your knees, open your legs if it's easier for you, or just sit on a pillow or yoga block if it helps as well. So I want you to inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. One more deep breath and exhale. Relax your shoulders here and start to bring your head to one side. We're gonna stretch your neck, the side of your neck here, and to the other side. Come back to the center, look down and look up. And come back to the center one more time. To the other side. Look down and look up. And bring your head back to the center. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And reverse. Bring your arm to the side. Start to rotate your whole arms here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now soften your elbows. Bring your arm to the front. Round your spine, chin to chest. And then open your arms. Inhale. And exhale. Round your spine. And open. And one more time, and open, and slowly bring your hands down. I want you to inhale. Let's come to lie all the way down on your back to start the main workout here. So at first, the first movement, we're gonna do single leg stretch. You bend one knee and to the opposite side, and I wanted to do it as quick as you can in 30 seconds. So let's do this together and start. So exhale every time you switch. I want you to try your best, but also listen to your body. Lift your chest even higher and use your hand to support your head if it's easier for your neck, or you can just rest your head down if it's easier for you. And make sure you stabilize your hips here by pull the belly button in. Just try to go as quick as you can, and more challenging. Lift your head up and 3, 2, and 1, and slowly bring your head down. Lift your legs up to 90 degrees to the low intensity movement here. So to the right, to the left, and 5, 4, 3, slowly with your own breath, 2, and 1. Very good. Open your arm to the side, open your legs to the side, and then come back. Inhale and exhale. Stabilize your hips, press your hip bones down to the mat, pull the belly button in, and really inhale deeply. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. Keep breathing here with your own breath. Very good. And keep the same angle on your knee at 90 degrees. Your knees on top of your hips, so you can move your knees further away if you need to. Very good. Keep breathing. Arms along your body for more support. And 5, 4, belly button in. 3, keep breathing, and 2, and last one. Slowly bring your head up and lengthen one leg, switch to the opposite side. Try to do it as quick as you can. Now if you feel like it's hard to lengthen your whole leg up, just bend your knee like the previous movement, or just slightly soften your leg. It's totally fine, but make sure you have to keep the same angle on your knees here. So stabilize your hips, really pull the belly button in, and use your hand to grab your ankles or under your knees here if it's easier for you. Very good. And slowly bring it down. Shake your hips a little bit. Inhale deeply through your nose, rotate your ankles. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, and now I wanted to bring your arms up and lengthen one leg to towards the front and come back, arms back to the other side and back to the center. Now slowly here with your own breath. So stabilize your hips, press your hip bones down to the mat and pull the belly button in. Inhale and exhale to the opposite side and come back. Keep breathing, do it slowly with your own breath. Inhale. Now the slower we do, the more challenging it is, and the lower your leg is, the more challenging it is with your belly as well. So you need to try and find what makes you feel challenging but also feel good. So keep breathing, inhale and exhale. And 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lift your head up and now slowly bring your arms and legs to the opposite side. So as quick as you can, keep breathing here with your own breath and just try to lift your chest even higher. Keep your chin to the chest to protect your neck. So keep breathing. Now each leg at a time if it's easier for you. So make sure you stabilize your hips and only your legs and arms are moving here. 3, 2, and 1, and slowly bring your head down, shake your hips. Now you're going to keep your feet down, arms around your body, tuck your tailbone forward, draw your hips all the way up, and slowly bring it down, each vertebra at a time, as low as you can. So keep breathing, come back. Now you don't have to go so high, listen to your lower back, bring your hips to the point you feel good with your lower back here. So pull the belly button in and press your feet down, keep your legs parallel to each other. Press your shoulder blades down to the mat. And a couple more times. So inhale. Exhale deeply. Inhale all the way up. Squeeze your booty. Press your feet down. Keep your knees facing up to the ceiling here. And slowly bring your hips back to the mat. And all the way up again. Chin to chest. And exhale down. And slowly bring your hips down. Lift your legs up. Start to make a little pump with your whole arms here. We're going to do the 100. So keep your legs at 90 degrees, or if you want more challenge, lengthen your legs all the way towards the front. Otherwise, bend your knees. You can rest your head down if it's easier for your neck. Just keep breathing and listen to your neck. Now, if you feel comfortable with your neck here, lift your chest. Try to go as high as you can to protect your neck as well. Chin to chest, pull the belly button in, press your lower back down to the mat, and slowly bring your torso down, shake your hips. Now open your arm to the U letters here, lift it just above the mat, lift your legs up to 90 degrees, and now I want you to inhale, slowly flip your hands to the front, bring your legs down and come back, flip your hands over your head, each leg at a time if it's easier for you. So listen to your body. I'm going to try to do it for a couple more times with your own breath. Before we complete the workout and move to the stretching part, so I want you to just try to take deep breath and focus on this moment. We're almost done. Keep breathing. Flip and then come back. Do it slowly. Don't drop your arms down so you can feel the gravity in your arms here. Very good. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale to the other side, and then come back. And 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly bring your torso down, shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose, exhale deeply through your mouth. That's amazing. I want you to take one more deep breath and exhale. And when you're ready, allow yourself to lean on one side to sit up, and we're gonna do the stretching part here. So just sit along the mat, bend your knees, open your legs width apart, bring your hands behind your head, rotate the torso to one side, come back to the other side, back to the center. 3 more times each side here with your own breath. 2, to the other side, and last one to the opposite side, and slowly round your spine, chin your chest, and then open your chest. Inhale and exhale, round and open, and 2, come back. And last one, and slowly bring your hands down, rotate your wrist, reverse, lengthen your legs, dorsiflex with your feet. So try to bring your knees higher and then press it all the way down, lift your heels up. So you're gonna stretch your knee here. Very good. And 3, 2, and 1. And now slowly lengthen your spine. If you feel it's easier for you to stretch your hips, just bend your knees and flex forward, and then come back for 3. Keep breathing, go a little bit further if you feel comfortable. 2, just listen to your body. And last one, and slowly lengthen your legs, dorsiflex with your feet, arms to the front. Exhale, reach. Inhale, bring it back. Feel your hamstring is stretching, your spine is lengthening, and pull the belly button in. Exhale, reach, and then inhale, come back, shoulders down. And 3, 2, lengthen your neck. And last one, and slowly drop your shoulders, sit tall again, shake your hips. Now open your legs as wide as you can, and feel free to start with a narrow angle first. So I want you to lean on one side and feel your hamstring is stretching here. Hold it here for 3, 2, and 1. To the opposite side. Hold it here for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, and now cross your leg, or you can just bend your knees, open your legs if it's easier for you. Inhale deeply through your nose, exhale deeply through your mouth. Keep breathing and rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions, and reverse. Articulate your spine, look towards the front, hands on your knees, and then round your spine, chin your chest, get and count sitting position. And one more time, slowly with your own breath, and round your spine. And bring it back to the center, shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose, exhale deeply through your mouth. You can close your eyes here to feel your body connecting to the mat and feel how it keeps balance on your sitting bones. Inhale one more time, and exhale. And slowly open your eyes when you're ready. And that's the goal of today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this low and high intensity, because I love it so much, and I would love to share with you more and more because I'm so in love with it. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow for the next workout. Have a good day. Bye bye.